Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to replace an air filter. Okay, so hopefully this one fits. So for someone it can be very simple, but just in case if someone doesn't know how, you open the hood. Okay, there must be. Okay, like this. Okay, then you bring the hood up, and some people do not know how to open the hood, so there's like this right here. I'm gonna show you just in a moment. Okay, there's this lever right here, and then you install this. Okay, and now this is the air filter right here. Okay, so there's like two things right here, plastic ones, so you simply squeeze them like that with two hands. You bring it up and you pull it up like that. Okay, so here's the filter. It's still good, but since we got a new one, we will replace it with the new one. Okay, looks the same. You can clean the inside. If there's dirt, just make sure it doesn't go through that. No, it's fine. Yeah, it can go through that pipe over there too, but you cannot go through that pipe, the top one. So I'm just gonna get a blower and blow it off from here, all the dirt and dust. Okay, so it's actually a little bit thicker than the one I had. So let's see if it fits. As you can see, it does. So then, as you can see, those pins right here, 2 pins, no, actually 3 pins, you need to insert them inside here. Okay, maybe tilt this like that, and then insert them like so. Shoot that insert all the way in, and then just press each one so it would lock in place right here, and that's all. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.